I'm Daryl, your AI host at AI Pro Photography. Today, one question every low-light shooter asks: should you fix noise later with AI, or just shoot at a lower ISO? It's tempting to lean on AI Denoise and stop worrying about ISO, but the two aren't doing the same job. Noise shows up when you push ISO high. In low light, the camera amplifies a weak signal and grain comes with it. A low ISO keeps that signal clean. The trade is that it needs more light. A slower shutter, a wider aperture, or a tripod. So a low ISO gives you real detail, captured once, cleanly. That's the benchmark everything else is measured against. AI Denoise works differently. It removes grain by rebuilding the image, smoothing what it reads as noise and reconstructing what it thinks was there. Modern tools are genuinely impressive, but rebuilt detail isn't recovered detail. Push it too far and skin turns waxy, fine texture goes soft, and edges start inventing themselves. So here's the honest answer. When you can control the light, shoot at the lowest practical ISO, that real detail is something no tool fully gives back. When you can't, fast action, a dark room, no tripod, AI Denoise is a real rescue. Use it as recovery, not as a substitute for getting it right in camera. For more real-world AI photography tests, visit aiprophotography.com.